Most drivers have no idea how many simple, almost absurd tricks can save them from walking into a mechanic's shop ever again. And the wild part? These aren't complicated repairs. These are everyday practical fixes hidden in plain sight. Things that cost pennies, take minutes, and shut down thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Mechanics know them. Car companies know them. But the average driver? Not a clue. And by the time you do figure them out, it's usually after you've already swiped your card for a bill that should have been close to zero. Today, you're about to learn 17 of these secrets. Things so effective that once you know them, you'll honestly wonder how nobody ever told you sooner. And one of these tips, toward the end, is the kind of trick that can erase what body shops charge $300 for, using something sitting in your bathroom right now. Let's jump straight in with secret number 17. Secret number 17, the anti-fog trick. Hiding in your bathroom cabinet. Imagine you're driving on a cold, rainy morning. The traffic is slow. Your windows are fogging faster than your defroster can keep up. And you're wiping the glass with your sleeve like a desperate maniac. Nothing works. You either can't see or you're rolling down the window and freezing yourself awake. There's a tiny, nearly stupid solution, and it costs maybe 50 cents. Toothpaste, not fancy whitening gel, not charcoal formulas, just plain, white toothpaste. The kind you grew up with. When you rub a thin layer on the inside of your car windows and buff it until it's glass clear, something surprising happens. The microscopic abrasives inside the paste leave behind an invisible coating that stops water droplets from sticking to the glass. No droplets means no fog. No fog means you can see every second you're on the road. The effect lasts weeks, sometimes months, depending on how often you clean your windows. Meanwhile, mechanics sell professional anti-fog services for $30 to $40 that are literally the same idea with a different label. You just learned the DIY version they hope you never discover. But if you think this little hack is good, the next one prevents a problem that kills car batteries every single year. Secret number 16. Why do WD-40 is your battery's best friend? Pop your hood right now and look at your battery terminals. If you see crusty blue or white buildup, you're looking at corrosion. Basically, the battery equivalent of rust. Left alone, it can cause weak starts, flickering lights, random alerts, and even total battery failure. Most drivers think this means a dying battery or a bring it in for service kind of repair. But mechanics do something incredibly simple after cleaning a corroded battery. They spray WD-40 on the terminals, not before connecting the cables. After. That's the key. Spraying it beforehand creates a barrier that messes with the connection. Spraying afterward creates a moisture-blocking film that keeps corrosion from forming again. This tiny detail prevents 80% of battery-related problems. Everything from random electrical hiccups to hard starts to premature battery replacement. A mechanic can charge you $30 to $80 for a terminal cleaning and protection package. You just learned how to do the whole thing for the cost of a cup of coffee. And if you think fluids and sprays are the end of the story, wait until you learn what people have been pouring into their windshield washer tanks for years. Secret number 15. The DIY washer fluid hack mechanics use in their own cars. Every winter, people buy jugs of washer fluid thinking they're getting some high-tech, winter-proof chemical mix. But crack open the industry, and you'll find something disappointing. It's mostly tinted water with a basic alcohol mixture. And if you're going through a jug every couple of weeks, you're basically dumping money into a hole. Here's what actually works better. 1 part cheap vodka plus 3 parts water plus a few drops of dish soap. That's it. The alcohol keeps it from freezing in normal winter temperatures. The soap cuts through the road film. And because vodka doesn't smell harsh or leave streaks, you get a crystal clear clean without paying for premium brands. If you live where winters drop to extreme lows, you can go 50-50 vodka and water for freeze-proof performance. This backyard formula outperforms the $12 winter blends stores push during cold months. Mechanics have known this recipe forever. They use it, but they'll never mention it unless you directly ask, because selling the store-bought stuff is easier business for everyone except you. But some car issues have nothing to do with fluids or surfaces. Sometimes modern vehicles just glitch out, and this next trick resets everything without paying for diagnostics. Secret number 14. The $0 reset that fixes 40% of car computer problems you're driving, and suddenly your check engine light pops up, or your radio freezes, or your backup camera glitches out. You take it to a mechanic, and they hit you with a diagnostic fee. usually $120 to $150 just to plug in a scanner. But here's what many mechanics quietly do before running any diagnostics. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. That's it. That's the entire trick. Just like restarting your phone fixes weird bugs, restarting your car's computer clears temporary glitches. Sensors recalibrate, modules reboot, faulty readings disappear. About 40% of mysterious warnings are caused by nothing more than temporary electronic confusion. Now, to be clear, this doesn't fix actual mechanical issues. Real problems will return, but for random gremlins, this works instantly. And the best part? You just saved yourself $150 with a wrench you can buy for $5. But electrical glitches aren't the only cold weather nightmare. This next one destroys wipers, motors, and your morning mood in seconds. Secret number 13. The sock trick that saves your wipers all winter. Picture this. You wake up, walk outside, and your entire car is frozen. Everything is covered in ice, including your windshield wipers, which are glued to the glass like they've been welded there. You try lifting them anyway. And that awful tearing sound tells you the rubber is ripping. Congrats. That's a $20 to $40 replacement. If the motor strains hard enough, make that $150 to $300. Here's what experienced mechanics do at home. They slip old socks over their wiper blades before a snowstorm. The socks keep the rubber clean, soft, and completely free from ice when the sun comes up. You just remove them, drop them in the trunk, and drive off with perfectly working wipers. It takes 10 seconds, and it can save your wiper motor from burning out, something most people don't even realize can happen. But some cold weather hacks sound so bizarre that if you didn't know the science, you'd swear they were old myths. Secret number 12. The potato trick that prevents fog and frost. This one sounds ridiculous until you try it. Take a potato, cut it in half, and rub the exposed side across your windshield. Then buff it clear. You know what you just did? You created a hydrophobic barrier, basically a surface potatoes naturally produce that keeps moisture from bonding to glass. Fog struggles to form, frost scrapes off faster, and your morning routine goes from miserable scraping festival to wipe and drive. This trick goes back decades. Early pilots used it to stop goggles from fogging. Today, detailers charge $40 to $60 to apply anti-fog coatings that work for roughly the same amount of time you'd get from a 30-cent vegetable. But while potatoes fix your visibility, this next trick can rescue you when your modern push-button car suddenly refuses to start. Secret number 11. The backup start trick. Hidden inside every key fob. You're leaving the grocery store. The parking lot is dark, and when you press your start button, nothing. The car says the key fob isn't detected. You panic. You assume you need a tow truck or a new key fob. But here's the secret almost no driver knows. Your push-to-start car has a backup system for dead key fob batteries. All you have to do is press the dead key fob directly against the start button. Most fobs contain a tiny radio chip that doesn't need battery power when it's close enough to the sensor. You press. The car starts. Crisis avoided. Dealerships could mention this during delivery. They don't. Dead fob batteries create panicked customers willing to pay anything. Now you're not one of them. But the next trick doesn't just save money. It puts money back into your pocket every month. Secret number 10. Eco mode is basically free gas. Many modern cars include an eco or economy mode that most people never touch. Either they think it makes the car slow, or they have no idea what it does. Here's the real story. Eco mode changes your throttle response, shifts gears sooner, and reduces AC load. This small adjustment can save you $500 to $1,000 in fuel costs every year, depending on how much you drive. But the part nobody explains, eco mode isn't on or off. It's a strategy. Use it in city traffic, during long commutes on highways anytime you're not towing or racing. It gently teaches you smoother driving habits that save fuel while keeping your engine and transmission happier long term. But interior comfort matters too. And this next problem is one people usually think requires a mechanic. Secret number 9. Your sticky seatbelt is rarely broken. A slow retracting seatbelt feels like one of those annoying issues you just learned to live with. Or worse, you assume the retractor is failing and requires expensive replacement. But in most cases, it's just dirt and friction. If you spray silicone lubricant right where the seatbelt disappears into the door pillar, it works its way into the spring mechanism and returns the belt to factory smooth operation. Not WD-40, not oil. Silicone spray only, because it lubricates without attracting grime. After a few pulls, the belt snaps back like new. Mechanics love seatbelt complaints because they're easy to fix and easy to charge for. You just eliminated that expense permanently. The next trick, though, this one deals with engine noise that terrifies a lot of drivers. Secret number 8. The fastest way to diagnose a squealing belt. You start your car on a cold morning, turn the wheel, and hear that awful squeal. Every driver knows the noise, and most think the fix is always a brand new serpentine belt. Sometimes it is, but not always. A very quick way to test it is to spray a light mist of WD-40 on the ribbed side of the belt while the engine is running. Just a split-second spray, not a soaking. If the squeal stops immediately and stays quiet for days, the belt was dry or slightly glazed. If the squeal returns quickly, that's your sign that the belt actually needs replacement. This trick saves time, money, and unnecessary parts. Mechanics skip it because replacing the belt is a guaranteed sale. But not all repairs deal with moving parts. Some deal with dents, tiny dents that make cars look worse than they actually are. Secret number 7. Fix small dents at home with temperature shock. A random shopping cart bumps your car, or some careless driver's door leaves a small dimple in your fender. Body shops call it paintless dent repair and charge $150 to $300 for it. But a surprising at-home version works for many minor dents. Heat the dent with a hairdryer for 3 to 5 minutes. Spray it immediately with compressed air held upside down. The rapid contraction often pops the metal back into shape. This only works for small dents without deep creases. But when it works, it's incredibly satisfying. Just don't expect miracles on huge or sharply folded dents. Now let's talk about something that's become a modern issue. Car theft that happens without thieves even touching your keys. Secret number 6. Wrap your key fob to stop signal thieves. Relay-style car theft is exploding because thieves can capture your key fob signal through walls and unlock your car in seconds. It's one of the easiest ways criminals steal modern vehicles. But the simplest defense is also the cheapest: aluminum foil. Wrapping your key fob in foil blocks the signal entirely, acting like a mini Faraday cage. It's not fancy, but it works. If you want a cleaner, permanent solution, you can buy a signal blocking pouch. But honestly, foil works almost exactly the same. This trick cuts off the signal thieves rely on, leaving your car invisible to their tools. And while that protects your car from being taken, this next secret protects your engine from destroying itself. Secret number 5. The temp gauge isn't decoration. It's a warning system. Most people drive around without ever glancing at the temperature gauge. They only react when the dashboard flashes red or steam comes out of the hood. But if your gauge starts climbing above its normal halfway point, even slightly, you're looking at a potential disaster. Early signs include heat creeping higher on long hills, temperature rising in traffic, sudden climbs after turning the AC on. This often means low coolant, a sticky thermostat, or a weak water pump. Catch it early, and you're looking at a $20 to $150 repair. Ignore it, and you could warp your engine, blow a head gasket, or need a complete rebuild. That can cost up to $8,000, all avoided by glancing at a tiny dial once in a while. But while overheating ruins engines, winter ruins visibility. And this next trick prevents one of the most annoying winter problems instantly. Secret number 4. Grocery bags. Save your mirrors in ice storms. You wake up to freezing rain that coats everything in ice, especially your mirrors. Trying to scrape them usually scratches the surface or cracks the plastic housing. Replacing them can cost hundreds. But here's the silly, simple solution. Slip plastic grocery bags over your mirrors and secure them before a storm. In the morning, peel them off, and your mirrors are clear. This same concept works for windshields using a blanket or small tarp tucked under the wipers. Anything is better than chiseling away at solid ice while you're freezing your fingers off. But while winter creates physical problems, this next trick deals with something that looks flat out insane but genuinely works. Secret number 3. Boost your key fob's range with your own head. This one feels like a prank until you try it. Let's say you're walking around a giant parking lot, hitting unlock, but you're too far for your car to respond. All you do is hold the key fob up under your chin and press the button. Suddenly the range increases by 30 to 50 feet. It works because your skull contains water, which helps carry radio waves farther. It's goofy, it looks strange, but it genuinely helps you locate your car faster. And while this trick helps you find your car, the next one helps you protect it from something far more dangerous. Secret number 2. The tire pressure light isn't optional. Your TPMS light comes on, and most drivers ignore it for days. sometimes even weeks. But a tire that's just 5 to 8 psi low can overheat on highways, blow out under load, eat through the tread prematurely, destroy fuel economy, ruin alignment angles. Properly inflated tires last months, sometimes years, longer, and give you safer handling. Always check the recommended PSI on the driver's door frame and filter that number, not whatever someone thinks is right. This tiny habit saves hundreds per year and can genuinely prevent life-threatening situations. But our final secret? This one hits body shops where it hurts. Secret number 1. Toothpaste removes surface scratches like magic. You notice a scratch on your paint. It's not deep, but it cuts through the clear coat just enough to stand out. Body shops love these scratches because they can charge $200 to $400 for paint correction. But here's what helps more than you think. Regular, non-gel toothpaste. Put a dab on a microfiber cloth and gently buff the scratch in circular motions. The mild abrasives smooth the clear coat around the scratch, making it vanish, or at least fade dramatically. It won't fix deep gouges. But for surface-level scratches, it's shockingly effective. Detailing shops use the same idea with specialized compounds, just more expensive. You're doing the same thing for pennies. Conclusion: you don't need to be a mechanic to outsmart the car industry. You don't need expensive equipment or long hours in a garage. All you need is a little knowledge. Knowledge that saves you money, prevents breakdowns, and keeps your car running far longer than the industry expects. And if you thought these 17 secrets were wild, there are even more tricks mechanics don't want you to discover. Check out the next video. You won't regret it.